Hello, I'm your friend Teacher Sam. Today we're diving into a crucial subject, preparing a presentation in English with confidence. We'll breeze through every step of the process, from understanding the purpose of your presentation to researching your topic, organizing your thoughts, and finally, practicing your presentation. So whether you're a beginner or just looking to polish your skills, this guide is for you. Get ready to take your presentation skills to a whole new level. First, it's crucial to understand the purpose of your presentation. This might seem like a simple step, but it's one that can easily be overlooked. Why? Because knowing your purpose is like having a compass. It guides your preparation, helps you decide what to include, and more importantly, what to leave out. There are many types of presentations, each with a different goal. An informative presentation aims to educate your audience about a particular topic. A persuasive one, on the other hand, is designed to convince your audience of a certain viewpoint. Maybe you're giving a motivational talk, intending to inspire or encourage. Or perhaps it's a sales presentation where the goal is to promote a product or service. Each of these requires a different approach, a different set of tools and techniques. So, understanding your purpose is not just a good starting point, it's an essential one. Knowing your purpose will direct your preparation and help you stay focused. Once you know your purpose, you can start researching your topic. Now, let's talk about the how. Begin with a broad sweep to understand the landscape of your topic. Use search engines, read articles, watch videos, or listen to podcasts. This will give you a general idea and help you identify key points. Next, delve deeper. This is where you explore those key points in detail. Look for reliable sources such as academic journals, reputable news outlets, or books from experts in the field. Remember, the internet is a vast ocean of information, but not all of it is accurate or trustworthy. As you gather information, take notes. Write down interesting facts, relevant statistics, or compelling arguments. These will be useful when you start organizing your presentation. Understanding your topic deeply will not only make your presentation more informative, but it will also boost your confidence. You'll be able to answer questions and engage with your audience. Thorough research is the foundation of a solid presentation. Now that you've conducted your research, it's time to organize your presentation. The importance of a clear structure in a presentation cannot be overstated. It's like the backbone of your message, the roadmap that guides your audience through your thoughts and ideas. Without it, even the most fascinating information can become a jumbled mess, difficult to follow and understand. So, how do you create this clear structure? Think of your presentation as a story, a narrative that needs a beginning, a middle, and an end. This translates to an engaging introduction, an informative body, and a powerful conclusion. Your introduction is the hook. This is where you grab your audience's attention and make them want to listen. Start with a question, a surprising fact, or a compelling anecdote related to your topic. Make it clear what you'll be talking about and why it's important. Moving on to the body of your presentation, this is where you dive into the details. Break your topic down into smaller subtopics or points. Each point should build on the last, creating a logical progression of ideas. Remember to keep your audience in mind. What do they already know? What do they need to know? Answer these questions in a clear and concise manner. Finally, your conclusion is your chance to drive your message home. Summarize your key points and end on a high note, leaving your audience with something to think about. Now let's talk about visual aids. These can be a powerful tool in your presentation arsenal, helping to clarify complex ideas and keep your audience engaged. However, balance is key. Too many visuals can distract from your message, while too few can leave your audience struggling to understand. Use visuals to enhance your words, not replace them. To sum up, a clear structure, engaging content, and the strategic use of visuals are the keys to organizing an effective presentation. Remember, the goal is not just to inform, but to engage and inspire. A well-organized presentation keeps your audience engaged and makes your information more digestible. Your presentation is organized and it's now time to practice. You've done your homework, you've got your points in order, but that's only half the battle. Now we're going to dive into the other half, practicing your presentation. Rehearsing your presentation is crucial. It's not enough to just know your material, you need to be comfortable presenting it. Practicing helps you master the flow of your presentation, ensuring you hit all your key points without rushing or dragging on. But it's not just about what you're saying, it's about how you're saying it. Body language is a powerful tool in communication. Standing tall, making eye contact, using gestures, These all convey confidence and engage your audience. So when you practice, don't just read your notes, perform as if you're in front of your audience. Voice modulation is another key aspect of a good presentation. Your tone, pitch, and volume can emphasize your points and keep your audience interested. Don't be monotone, vary your voice to match the content of your presentation. Practice speaking clearly and at a comfortable pace. Timing is also crucial. You don't want to rush through your presentation, but you also don't want to take too long. Use a timer while you practice to ensure you stay within your allotted time. Now, let's talk about nerves. It's normal to feel a bit nervous before a presentation, but don't let that stop you. The more you practice, the more familiar and comfortable you'll become with your material, which in turn will help reduce your nerves. And lastly, remember that confidence comes from practice. The more you rehearse, the more confident you'll become. You'll know your material inside and out, you'll be comfortable with your timing, your body language will be natural, and your voice will be steady. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you rehearse, the more confident you will be. So take a deep breath, get in front of that mirror, and start practicing. You've got this! We've covered a lot today, so let's quickly summarize. Our journey began with understanding the purpose of your presentation. Remember, knowing why you're presenting is the foundation that shapes your entire presentation. It guides what you say, how you say it, and even how you carry yourself during the presentation. Next, we dived into the importance of researching your topic. This step is crucial to ensuring that your content is accurate, relevant, and engaging. It's about becoming an expert in your topic so your audience can trust and learn from you. Then we moved on to organizing your presentation. Here we stress the importance of having a clear structure. A well-organized presentation is like a well-marked trail, guiding your audience smoothly from one point to the next. And finally, we discussed the indispensable step of practicing your presentation. This is where you bring everything together and refine your delivery. Practice doesn't just make perfect, it builds confidence, helping you to present with ease and conviction. Preparing a presentation might seem daunting at first, but with these steps, you will be well on your way to delivering a confident and effective presentation in English. Remember, preparation breeds confidence. So go ahead, prepare well, and present with confidence.